Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to embroider these three beautiful flowers which are perfect for beginners. You can use this floral design on hopper, tote bags, pouches, dresses, baby clothes, cushion covers and many other handmade projects. For this project I am using DMC Embroidery Floss. I am also using two types of needles. For finer details, I am using a thin and sharp needle. And when I am working with all 6 strands of thread, I am using a needle with a large oil. Always keep your fabric tight in the hoop for a neat finish. Use the right number of strands according to your design. Keep your stitch even and consistent for a beautiful result. And remember, take your time and enjoy the process. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Start with simple stitches and practice slowly. If you are a beginner, don't be afraid to try this design. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Happy embroidering!